On top of the physical symptoms, the emotional consequences were more than you could take. Do these reactions sound familiar to you? What is this thing around my mouth? What will people think when they see me like this? They'll probably think I have some sort of sexually transmitted disease. I can't go out looking like this. My life will surely be ruined if I don't get rid of this fast. How do I make it go away? My boyfriend, girlfriend will never kiss me again. I feel like hiding and not coming out until it goes away. And, while these thoughts are running through your head, the only thing you can think of is finding a cure. So, you searched everywhere for a way to remove the sores around your mouth, with no luck. How a natural remedy helped cure my angular cheilitis permanently. Click here.